Hello friends and welcome to another unboxing by me, ETPC. So what we have is the infrared thermometer temperature gun. It's by Albott. It's a non-contact digital laser thermometer. Okay, so what we're going to do, unbox this, see what we got, and then later on we'll do a review and see how it works. So let's get going here. Just going to open it up and see what's inside here. Okay, that's it for the box inside. Put that aside. Okay, and now we have, first things first, is the handy dandy instruction manual. And we have the gun itself. Taking it out of the little bag here. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Looks pretty cool. There's supposed to be some batteries in here actually, so I'm going to open this up. It says it came with batteries. There's no batteries in there. Let me check the box here. There's nothing in the bag. And oh wait, in the bottom, hang on. It looked like it was empty. Maybe not. Ha! Okay, it looked like it was empty, but in the box in the very bottom, we have 2 batteries, just like it said. So that's what we're looking at, my friends. I'm gonna put this all together, or put the batteries in, and we'll do a test. Thanks for watching this unboxing.